In this video, we are going to be analysing STBX. Now, this stock was a really big name, or not even big name, just very volatile stock. You can see when it IPO'd very recently. We did do a video on it as it IPO'd because, we saw it IPO around $27, moved up nearly 100% to 46, and then you can see now we've crashed down to around $2. So, this stock, very volatile, definitely a lot of profitable moves to be made, but also a lot of risk in that. So what are going to be key levels and what will we be paying attention to on STBX? And I do just want to say, it as of right now, it's not a stock I'm going to be looking to trade. I don't trade small caps really as it is, but considering how this stock has just had so much volatility near the beginning, we could see 20 million shares traded a day, down to now where we're lucky to get 2 million. So it's just really something I'm not personally looking to touch, but if it's something you are looking to trade, what are going to be key levels we're paying attention to? And as of right now, our key levels as a resistance would be $3, so that's kind of $2.95, so really just $3, and this would be our first deviation on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart. So if we do get a pop, and in these kind of stocks it really wouldn't be unlikely to see, just you see it get a temporary pop, or it goes in Wall Street Bets or something, you just get temporary pops, would not be unlikely. Then we would have a main target of $3. This is most likely where we would see it going before fading back down. But if it did break this and continue up, we would be looking at 575, 860, and a final level at 1140. And these would kind of be just the key levels that we would be paying attention to if it started to pop. Again, it's probably not going to make it there fundamentally, not at least in this weak market where the Fed keeps increasing interest rates. But if we do get some sort of hype play on this, these would be the key levels we'd be looking to trade. Now, on the other hand, if we continue to fade down, the only statistical levels we have is really 20 cents. Obviously, very far from where we are now. Considering the stock there that went from 46 to basically 150, definitely possible that we continue to sell off. And that would be a key statistical level that we'd be paying attention to. But otherwise, if you're looking maybe for potential areas, we would just be looking at key psychological levels. So $1.50, $1.25, $1, 75 cents and 50 cents, and those would kind of just be the levels that we're paying attention to the downside. But again, not something I'm really going to be touching. Doesn't seem like the best kind of stocks to be trading. And so that's my kind of view on the stock. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.